We are just over a week away from the official end of hurricane season. So as we celebrate Thanksgiving this year, we also want to take a moment to share a story of giving back. A year after Hurricane Maria tore through Puerto Rico, the people there are now just getting back on their feet, one light at a time. Puerto Rico was hit with the worst national disaster in the island's recorded history. So 6 months later, much of the U.S. territory was still without access to electricity. Filmmaker Hannah Sider documented the area 6 months after Maria hit. She spoke with caretaker Nilda Ortiz, who told her, "When the hurricane arrived, I thought it was the end of the world because it was something very disastrous and we lost everything."
We interviewed almost like 400 families around the community to know where their needs were, so that we could meet them. And that's where we then met the people of Citizen.
As in Citizen Watch. The watchmaker says their eco-drive technology aligned with Puerto Rico's need for energy. They partnered with Good 360 and Empowered to distribute hundreds of these Luci emergency relief lights.
Las luces nos ayudaron bastante, ya que tuvimos.
After surviving the hurricane, this mother said, "The lights helped us a lot because we were without power for a long time. We were able to study, do homework."
So for us, it's important to participate in recovery. And as you can tell, the spirit of the island, the people here, it's very strong. It's a necessity for that to be the case, for people to come back from such a horrible travesty.
Nilda said after almost 6 months, she could do what she needed to do to take care of her patients.
And what we learned through the experience of Maria was that we need to plan ahead because of the love that we have for our community, our children, and the hopes for them.